Hi, I'm Dave Barata with American Alarms. Today we're going to go over adding an auxiliary battery to your alarm system. This is designed to use for when your alarm, you're going to be without power for a sustained period of time. It'll allow you to keep your alarm system rolling for up to a week, depending on the size of the battery you get. Okay, so you're going to need a few supplies for this job prior. We're going to need to get a couple of these jumper cable type setups so that we can clip onto the battery for whatever size we're going to use. Okay, so you can pick these up at an auto parts store or Walmart or any electronics store like that. Okay, then we're going to need a 16 or 18 gauge piece of wire, preferably around 10 feet long, so that we can secure the battery in an area that high up on a shelf, depending if we're going to get a lot of flooding or anything like that. So we want to make it up in a secure area that's away from everything. Okay, so we're going to need those particular parts. Once we have that, and a couple wire nuts and some tape. Okay, once we have all those, we're going to put this together, and of course the car battery or a deep cycle boat battery would ideally work great too. So once we have all that, we're going to assemble it, pre-assemble it ahead of time. Okay, then we're going to come in and we're going to splice into where the battery is attached for the alarm panel itself. Okay, by doing this, we're going to splice back, as an example here. I have this shown where I use the strippers and I split the wire off, and then we're going to attach it like this and wrap it around. Okay, like that, and then we're going to tape that up so we got a good tight splice. Okay, that way. So that's kind of like exactly what this is going to look like here. Done. So once we have that all set up, we're going to get it all done, and we're going to get our marine battery or car battery, and we're going to set that up, and we're going to attach that to that. If our alarm panel happens to be totally dead, okay, we're going to need to restart it. By restarting it, we're going to need to take the transformer out. We're going to need a 12-volt inverter for this. Okay, it inverts to 124 volts. Okay, to do that, it's most likely in a transformer plugged into an outlet, and it might be screwed into an outlet. Okay, you're going to have to unscrew that first. Okay, like this. I got this sample as an example. Once we get it unscrewed, okay, we're going to plug it into an extension cord or into our inverter that's plugged into a 12-volt source that's going to give us 120 volts. That's going to boost the alarm panel temporarily to get it going, okay, so that it'll run on battery. Once we have that going, we can unplug the inverter, okay, and it'll run off the car battery, okay, depending on the size of the battery, but it could operate as long as a week or longer, okay? And that's it. If you have any questions, you can give our office a call. Thank you.